With Microsoft Office 2013, there are two separate InfoPath programs that do two different things. One is the InfoPath Filler, the other is the InfoPath Designer. The InfoPath Filler, which we see here, is simply used to fill in forms. That's all it does. We have 3 ribbons, a Save button, we have the ability to click and fill items out, we have the ability to tab. This particular form can be completed using inking, so I can ink in different places if I wish. I have all these familiar controls available to me, text boxes and date pickers from places like Outlook, drop-down lists, which we see throughout Windows, and then some other types of controls that we aren't as used to, but we're going to figure out how to use really quickly right away because we have like click to attach a file, and we have buttons that can expand our form, like an options button, and then we have the ability to insert pictures and so on. So we can fill a form out. We can save the form. We can check spelling on the form, use basic, find, replace, cut, copy, paste. We can insert in some particular areas of the form, things like tables and pictures and horizontal lines. And finally, when we're all done with this form, we can click Submit and send it on its way to whatever destination has been baked into this form's design. But the limit of what I can do in InfoPath Filler is exactly what I've shown you. I can fill in a form. Now, let's switch to this same form in the InfoPath Designer. So here we are in Design View, and we have all of the tools here at our disposal that were used to create this form and many, many others. On the right, we have a fields list. At the top, we have a ribbon with not just 3 tabs, but an entire array of tools that allow us to design, to connect to data, to do everything else we would need to do to create just a world-class form. So when you go to your Start menu, or if you begin typing InfoPath in Windows 8, and you choose Microsoft Office, if the only thing you see is InfoPath Filler, then you need a little more under the hood to be able to work in this course. If you don't yet have InfoPath Designer, speak with the folks in your Information Technology or Information Services department and make sure that it's installed so that you can join us as we design powerful InfoPath forms using InfoPath Designer 2013.